Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is gamepad showtime. I will show you 4 gamepads from T-Dagger. As you can see, let me show you the first model, T-Dagger TGP500. The name is ARIES. Okay, let me show you the goods. As you can see, this one is 1.8 cable meters. Here, 2 plates have motor vibration, high precision 3D. This model supports Nintendo Switch, PC, PS3, and compatible with PCX input. Next one is TGP501 TAURUS. Let me show you the goods. As you can see, the cable is 2 meters. High precision 3D. 2 motors vibrations here place. This model also supports, as you can see, the product's high precision 3D. 2 motor vibration here place. And also this model supports Nintendo Switch, PC, D input, X input, also PS3, compatible with PCX input. The third one is TGP600 GEMINI. Okay, let me show you the goods. This is Android Bluetooth gamepad, a polar 1 meter cable. This gamepad have 600 mAh rechargeable cable. High precision RSF 3D gamepad, 2 model vibration on the PC and X input wired. Silicon slip both sides. You can see here, and this is the back. You can change the switch to mouse side or gamepad side or close it. This table is also Type-C. This holder is to put 6-inch mobile phone. The last one is TGP800 VIRGO. As you can see, the length is very long, right? It's 3 meters. High precision 3D RSF brand. Support PS4, PCX input, and D-put, also PS3. As you can see, these 2 plates don't have the motional sensor. Here have touch panel and audio here. ME2, M4 patent programming buttons design. Here have L1, R2 trigger function. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in our products, you can contact me via Twitter or Facebook.